How do I read my Medicare Explanation of Benefits, EOB? Imagine receiving a letter that explains exactly how your health care services are being paid for and what you might owe. That's what your Medicare Explanation of Benefits is all about. It's not a bill, so don't worry. Think of it as a report card for your recent medical visits. It helps you see if Medicare paid correctly and if you owe anything out of pocket. When you open your EOB, the first thing to look at is your name, the date or dates of your service, and a claim number. This helps you match the statement to the specific visit or treatment. Next, you'll see a description of the services you received, like a doctor's visit, lab work, or a prescription. It's important to check that these details match what you actually had done. Then, you'll find the provider charges, which is what the doctor or hospital billed Medicare. Medicare then approves a certain amount for each service, which is often less than the provider's original charge. This is called the Medicare approved amount. Medicare negotiates these rates to keep costs down. The next section shows how much Medicare paid toward the approved amount. Usually, Medicare covers most of the cost, but not everything. Your responsibility is the part you must pay, which can include deductibles, co-payments, or co-insurance. If you owe money, you'll get a separate bill from your provider, not through the EOB. Sometimes, you'll see adjustments or discounts listed. These are reductions in the charges, often because Medicare negotiated a lower rate. You're generally not responsible for these amounts. The EOB may also include notes about preventive care, reminders about fraud prevention, or other Medicare tips. To manage your costs, review each EOB carefully. Make sure the services listed match what you received and that the amounts are correct. Keep these documents for your records. They help you track how much you've paid toward your deductibles and coverage limits. If you notice any errors or suspect fraud, contact your Medicare plan right away. Many plans have online portals where you can view detailed EOBs, which makes it easier to understand your expenses. Understanding your EOB helps you see what Medicare covers and what you need to pay out of pocket. This knowledge allows you to plan your finances better and avoid surprises when it's time to settle bills. Being familiar with these statements makes managing your Medicare costs simpler and more transparent.